Hey guys, today, let's learn how to fix iPhone stuck on SOS Only. So in the case that you were having problems with your iPhone, it is currently stuck on SOS Only. This video tutorial, I'm gonna teach you guys how to fix this, step by step. So please watch this video until the end to find out just how. Alright guys. So the best fix so we can actually do in order for us to solve this issue is to perform a quick reboot of our devices. How do you do a quick reboot? All we need to do is suppress and then quickly release the volume up buttons of your device. That's gonna be located on the left hand side of the device. And right after that, you have to then press and then quickly release once more, but the volume down buttons. Now, let's repeat that. So the first step is to press and then quickly release the volume up, and then the next step is after that is to press and quickly release the volume down button. Now the next step, after you've done those two first steps, is to press and hold the side button until you see the Apple logo on your screen. So the side button is gonna be located on the right hand side of your device. So right after you've did the procedures with the volume up, volume down, the next is to do a press and then hold on the side or power button. You're gonna be located on the right hand side of your device until you see the Apple logo, and then once you do see the Apple logo, just release the button and it's gonna perform to your reboot real quick. And that should solve your problem. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please like this video and subscribe as all of you guys learned something. And I'll see you guys on the next video.